This beautiful flower is painted using just one stroke technique, and it's much easier than it looks. Welcome to day 12 of my 30-day one-stroke painting series. For the flowers, I'm using acrylic colors, light purple, dark purple, and white for highlights. I start from the inner part of the flower. I gently create small overlapping strokes. Each stroke slightly overlaps the previous one, creating that soft layered petal effect. I'm using flat brush number 6. And make sure to keep your brush pressure light and controlled. If the paint starts to dry, I lightly spray water to keep it smooth and blendable. This helps in achieving soft transitions between colors. As I move outward, I continue building layers. Once the inner section is done, I start working on the outer petals. These petals are slightly larger and more open. I keep the same technique, layering one stroke over another to build depth. Any gaps in between can be filled using small filler strokes. Now using a liner brush number 2 and outline each petal. This step adds definition and makes the flower look more detailed and realistic. It also helps the petals pop beautifully against the black background. For the leaves, I first paint a base using sap green. Using brilliant yellow-green and sap green, I create soft, wavy strokes to give that natural leafy texture. It may look detailed, but it's actually very simple. It may look complex, but once you try it, it's surprisingly easy. And that's it, a beautiful one-stroke flower. See you in day 13.